Lying at the foot of snow-capped mountains, Yubong village of Deqian County in China's Yunnan is home to 42 Tibetan families. In the past, the village had been virtually cut off from the outside world with no electricity or communication signal. In 2012, with the installation of electric wires, Yubong village ended a long history of relying on kerosene lamps for nighttime lighting. Now, with improved communications and better infrastructure, the picturesque village has drawn a larger number of tourists. More than 130 homestay inns have been opened in this village of only 42 households. As the Spring Festival usually sees the peak of electricity consumption, power supply worker Wang Den and his colleagues need to reinforce the electricity supply equipment before the influx of tourists.
今天来主要是给用户更换线路，随着用电负荷增加，他们的线路已被烧毁。今天进行了一个更换，难度主要是2点。第一个是高海拔作业，然后第二点是现场风比较大，有一定的危险性。
只要我们的工作能够为藏族同胞和世界各地的驴友们带来方便，我们心里面就舒服了。
那是当年的新五马路的发的。 那就打次杀机、电报杀机，那就电磁炉、电话锅，那就那把那归啥？你电原来的什么机也不懂，那这当年它那新了什么路过去的，那新什么先说。